Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by picking the exact wallpaper image you want and placing it where you can find it quickly. Choose a JPEG or PNG at least 1920 x 1080. This keeps clarity. Once done, open your laptop's display or personalization settings. That's where system overrides live. You'll either right-click the file and select Set as Desktop Background, or click Browse in Settings and point to the folder. Make sure to note whether you want a single image versus a slideshow. That choice changes the next steps. Now you refine how that image appears on screen so it looks intentional and sharp. In the background or display settings, pick Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, or Center. Each adapts the image to your screen differently. Choose Fill for cropping or Fit to preserve full image. Also verify scaling at 100% or 125% if fonts or the picture look blurred. Scaling affects clarity. If you have multiple monitors, decide whether to span a single panoramic image or assign separate wallpapers per display for a cleaner setup. Finish by locking in choices and testing with a lock screen preview so you see how it appears during normal use. If the wallpaper reverts, make sure sync settings aren't overriding it, check for enterprise group policies, and disable any background app that forces changes. For blotchy or fuzzy results, swap to a higher resolution image or restore scaling to 100%. This directly fixes interpolation artifacts. If problems persist, restart Explorer or the laptop. Often that clears cached display settings and completes the update.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.